Next, in Premiere Pro, we'll check about one by one all the panels. So here it is project panel, and here it is a source panel, and here it is a timeline, and this is a program panel, and it's a effects panel, properties, and of course timeline and tools panel, right? So first we'll start with the project panel. What is project panel? By this name easily we'll understand it has projects, it contains a projects. We add project here from the project panel, right? So beside that there is a media browser is there. What is a media browser? So get the media from your computer from local disk. Suppose here it is local disk, C drive or D drive. If you have any media from there, so you can get easily into a Premiere Pro, or otherwise E drive. Okay, so basically this is the media browser. You can get all the media from the drives, right? Okay, and come to project panel right now. So project panel is what? You can get the your project from the project panel. How to do this? So there is a import media. So click here, get the import, get the media from there, or otherwise double click on the project panel, double click on the project panel, and you will get this, right? So from desktop, here I have one folder, reference for editing. So here I have different folders are there. This is for the videos, and this is for the PSD if you have any PSD files, and these are the images folder, and this is the audio folder, right? So by creating the folders, easily you can organize your contents. All the audio files you can insert into audio file, the same way images into image file, and PSD files into PS, and videos into videos, right? Suppose here I select these two videos and I am importing here. See, the two videos are imported into project panel, right? So here see there is a mark, green mark it is showing. The project is writable. Suppose if it is showing the green mark, so that means what? You are doing this project is writable, and you can open and edit your project. So sometimes if you click on that, giving a warning, save project to save changes to untitled project before changing to read only mode, right? So this is what read only mode. Some cases what you are not allowing to other people to read your files, so then you can use this. Okay, in future lessons I'll explain more clearly about this one, right? This was a list views. So by showing the list, the visibility here, right? And here it is what icon view, icons. By showing the video icons, it's very easy to recognize. And suppose here it is what a freeform view, it is bit bigger. So you can zoom in and zoom this by using this option. And here it is what sort icons. So by showing the icons, by sorting icons, suppose here if you click this one, suppose there, and click here, you will get the icons here. Okay, sorting icons, that means what? If you have a number of icons, so see this here, number of files are there, number of icons are there. So here by seeing this freedom view, so it is not showing that option sorting icons. But suppose if you click here, and if you click here, now see the visibility of this one. By choosing this one, list view or sort, or otherwise by showing the labels, by showing the media type, which type of media you are using, you are actually sorting out your videos, right? And this is what searching option by label, by showing the colors. So find from where to what. So this I'll explain, because when you work in any project, multiple videos are there, then it is very easy to understand, right? Right now I'm not using this one. And here, see, you are creating a bin. So bin means what? In Premiere Pro, folders are called bins. So in any Photoshop and Illustrator, we are creating the folders. So normally creating the folders. So, but in Premiere Pro, call it as a bins, right? So drag these two files, or otherwise one by one drag and drop into that bin. That means what? Your videos are inserted into a folder. That's showing the visibility of this one, right? So these are the bins. Okay, in the same way, suppose double click here, and again it is opening your bins, and when you click here, and it is closing that one. And if you want to add more bins for the particular purpose, suppose in reference of videos, suppose a PSD file, suppose double click here, and you can add the PSD. Here it is showing how to import with merge all layers, or otherwise merged layers or individual layers and sequence wise. How to use this one? So merge means all layers can match, okay, including all the layers. That means sometimes in Photoshop we up the visibility of some layers, okay, so including all that can import, and merged layers and individual layers, so layer wise or sequence wise, how to use, right? So this you can import to here also, suppose, so imported this one, okay. And suppose here you can create one more bin here, and you can drag and drop here. So here it has a folder inside a file inside the folder, okay. And you can right click on the folder and name this one. Suppose this is PSD a bin, and right click here, and suppose rename this videos, and again double click here, and again come to your reference and images. You can import your images here, right? And again I'm creating one more bin and drag and drop here. And name this images. Okay, and double click again and come to audio file. There is an audio, drag this here and keep this in bin also. Okay, you can rename this, okay. This is what audio. Okay, this way you can create bins and you can organize them. Important when you are working with any project now. So sometimes there are different videos are there, and PSD files, images and audio files you have to use in your Premiere Pro as per the project requirement, okay. And here see, these are showing all the same color. If you want, you can change the color to videos some other color. Suppose I'm choosing the lavender color, okay. And this is for PSD, so I'm using this purple color. You can change these colors for label colors you are using, right? And this is for yellow, and this is okay, red. Okay, suppose when I drag and drop the video here, so this is displaying in that a particular color, okay. And suppose here when I use this images, so suppose I'm dragging this image, and I see it is showing on that particular color, right? So the same way here for the audio, okay, it is showing in that green. Okay, these are all what creating the bins, and here it is what the new item. When you click on this, so you can create a new sequence and project shortcuts. So in the coming classes, I'll explain about all these things. Right now we are focusing on the project panel. Okay, suppose this is what it is showing the minimum room for the project panel. If you want, you can extend here. When you extend here, it is showing what suppose if you click on the video, okay, and right click here, it is showing what their properties, their settings, sequence settings and all. Okay, it's choosing all these things and then information about that file. Or otherwise, you can click on the tiled key. Where is tiled key? On keyboard below escape button there is a tiled key. So click on this. Your area, your room project panel will extend, showing here, and then you will understand one by one about the video and for that information. Right now, see, these are what very important organizing of folders to edit your videos and all. Okay, see, video duration it is showing here, and video out point, video duration, and media duration here it is showing something like, see, all the information it is showing. Duration is 13 seconds, and the 1920 into 1080, and the compressed it is online. Okay, and again click on the tiled key again, come back to a normal view. Okay, this is the information about a project panel. So before doing any project, we have to understand about all the panels, right?